YouTube, I got another one for you. Look, check it out. I'm gonna show you guys how to open up your car door if you like your keys in your car. I'm gonna show you how to open it with this 2.5 foot zip tie. Just always keep one handy, you know, around the house, just in case you lock your keys in the car, man. It's about a good 2.5 feet, I'm pretty sure. But I'm gonna show you how to use it. I can't do it on this Durango. I think I could actually. Let's try both, but I'm gonna try it on my little Ford Taurus. But I'm gonna get back to you. It has to be like where the lock is like right on the door there. You know what I mean? If not, shit, you just gotta try other ways. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hold on, just a sec. The first thing you want to do is you want to prop this damn door open with like a knife or something, or a flathead, right? Then you want to bend the zip tie in half. Then after you bend the zip tie, you stick the bent part like so in the door and just wiggle it in. You see? You see how that went through? The lock's right there, right? Let me get right there. The lock is right. The lock is like right there. Right there. Right there. See? You want to push the zip tie in, right? Push the zip tie in until you get like right over it, right? Bring it down as much as you can, or not as much, but like an inch or two away from the door, right? And then what you do now is after you pass the lock up, right? After you like push it in till you pass the lock up just a little bit, you want to pull on this one. You want to pull on just this one, right? And watch what happens. See what I'm saying? I don't know if you can see that, but boom, I'm over the lock. See that? I don't know if I could do this with one hand, but after you do that, you want to pull on it until you like wrapped around the lock, right? Oh, almost. So you do it all over until you get there. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. So, and then you wiggle your way up, right? Try to wiggle your way up. Man, if I had my hands free, I would have been got this open. But there it is. So, damn. It's just harder to do it with one hand. Wiggle your way up. Pull on it. Oh, okay. Almost. Bam. Right. Pulling it. But look, anyways, so once you get that over it, right? Once you get it over, you want to close both ends, like, you know, pull on it until it like wraps around it. Wiggle your way slowly up like that, and then once you feel like tension on it, you just pull it up like that. It's that simple, guys. I'll show you after I'm done.